1. Reduction of blood glucose. Intermittent fasting, a practice of alternating between eating and fasting periods, can significantly lower blood glucose levels. Every time you eat, your body digests food, leading to an increase in blood sugar. Fasting allows blood sugar to drop, reducing the need for insulin. High insulin levels over time can result in insulin resistance, a precursor to various health issues. Intermittent fasting helps reverse insulin resistance, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes and related complications. It's a natural way to stabilize blood sugar levels and promote metabolic health. 2. Reversal of insulin resistance. One of the remarkable benefits of intermittent fasting is its ability to reverse insulin resistance. Insulin resistance occurs when cells become less responsive to insulin, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. Fasting allows blood sugar to decrease, reducing the need for insulin release. As insulin resistance is addressed, the risk of type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and metabolic syndrome diminishes. Intermittent fasting promotes insulin sensitivity, enabling cells to utilize glucose effectively and restoring metabolic balance. 3. Weight loss and maintenance. Intermittent fasting is a powerful tool for both weight loss and maintaining a healthy weight. By creating periods of fasting, the body taps into stored fat for energy, leading to consistent weight loss. Unlike many diets, fasting addresses insulin resistance, ensuring that lost weight is more likely to stay off. It also helps set a lower body weight set point, reducing the chances of weight regain. Intermittent fasting provides a sustainable approach to managing weight and improving overall well-being. 4. Reduction of insulin resistance-related problems. Insulin resistance lies at the core of various health issues, including type 2 diabetes, obesity, and cardiovascular diseases. Intermittent fasting tackles these problems at the root by reducing insulin resistance. As blood sugar levels decrease during fasting, insulin demand diminishes. This not only aids in preventing diabetes, but also lowers the risk of associated complications like blindness, kidney failure, and amputations. Intermittent fasting serves as a proactive measure to improve insulin sensitivity and mitigate potential health risks. 5. Loss of abdominal fat. Abdominal fat, often linked with insulin resistance, is a key focus of intermittent fasting's benefits. This type of fat poses a higher risk of metabolic issues and chronic diseases. By promoting fat loss, particularly in the abdominal area, intermittent fasting aids in reversing insulin resistance and metabolic syndrome. This contributes to a reduction in the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Fasting not only helps shed unwanted pounds, but also targets the most harmful fat deposits in the body. 6. Reversal of metabolic syndrome. Metabolic syndrome, a cluster of conditions like high blood pressure, high blood sugar, excess body fat, and abnormal cholesterol levels, significantly increases the risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Intermittent fasting addresses these issues by reducing insulin resistance and promoting weight loss. By reversing metabolic syndrome, fasting lowers the risk of cardiovascular problems, enhances overall health, and provides a comprehensive approach to tackling various interconnected health concerns. 7. Reduction of cholesterol levels. Intermittent fasting's impact extends to cholesterol levels, a critical marker of heart health. Elevated cholesterol, especially low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, contributes to atherosclerosis and heart disease. Fasting helps lower cholesterol levels by improving insulin sensitivity and promoting fat loss. This reduction in cholesterol, along with other metabolic improvements, reduces the risk of cardiovascular issues. Intermittent fasting offers a holistic approach to maintaining healthy cholesterol profiles and cardiovascular well-being. 8. Reduction of triglycerides. High triglyceride levels are another risk factor for heart disease. Intermittent fasting aids in lowering triglyceride levels by enhancing insulin sensitivity and encouraging the utilization of stored fat for energy. As triglycerides decrease, the risk of cardiovascular complications diminishes, contributing to improved heart health. Incorporating intermittent fasting into one's lifestyle offers a natural and effective means of addressing triglyceride-related concerns and fostering overall well-being. 9. Lowering of blood pressure. Hypertension, or high blood pressure, is a prevalent health issue that elevates the risk of heart disease and stroke. Intermittent fasting contributes to reducing blood pressure through its multifaceted effects. By improving insulin sensitivity, promoting weight loss, and decreasing inflammation, Fasting positively impacts cardiovascular health. Adopting intermittent fasting as a regular practice offers an accessible strategy for managing blood pressure and safeguarding against associated complications. 10. Reduction of inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a common denominator in many chronic diseases, including cardiovascular problems, diabetes, and neurodegenerative disorders. Intermittent fasting helps reduce inflammation by addressing insulin resistance and promoting autophagy, the body's cellular self-cleaning process. By mitigating inflammation, fasting offers a comprehensive approach to preventing and managing various health conditions. It serves as a natural and effective strategy to support overall well-being and reduce disease risk. 11. Decreased risk of cardiovascular diseases. Cardiovascular diseases, encompassing conditions like heart disease and stroke, are major global health concerns. Intermittent fasting's impact on reducing risk factors such as insulin resistance, inflammation, high cholesterol, and hypertension contributes to overall cardiovascular health. By addressing multiple aspects, fasting provides a comprehensive approach to preventing cardiovascular diseases and enhancing heart well-being. Incorporating intermittent fasting into one's lifestyle can lead to long-term heart health benefits. 12. Decreased risk of heart attacks. Heart attacks are often a consequence of underlying cardiovascular issues. Intermittent fasting significantly reduces these risks by improving insulin sensitivity, promoting fat loss, and reducing inflammation, all critical factors in heart health. By addressing these factors, fasting offers a proactive approach to minimizing the risk of heart attacks. It empowers individuals to take control of their heart health and reduce the likelihood of experiencing a cardiac event. 13. Decreased risk of stroke. Strokes, often caused by blood vessel blockages or ruptures in the brain, can have devastating consequences. Intermittent fasting's positive effects on blood pressure, cholesterol, and inflammation play a key role in reducing the risk of strokes. By improving these parameters, fasting provides a protective shield for the brain's blood vessels. Embracing intermittent fasting as a lifestyle choice offers a tangible way to enhance cerebrovascular health and reduce stroke risk. 14. Reduction of the risk of type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is a metabolic disorder characterized by high blood sugar levels. Intermittent fasting addresses the root causes of diabetes by reducing insulin resistance and promoting stable blood sugar levels. By adopting fasting, individuals can proactively lower their risk of developing type 2 diabetes. This natural approach empowers people to take charge of their metabolic health and reduce the likelihood of diabetes-related complications. 15. Decreased risk of blindness due to diabetes. Diabetic retinopathy, a complication of diabetes, can lead to blindness. Intermittent fasting's ability to improve insulin sensitivity and stabilize blood sugar levels directly contributes to reducing the risk of diabetic retinopathy. By promoting metabolic health, fasting safeguards vision and ocular well-being. Integrating intermittent fasting into one's routine offers a proactive approach to preventing vision loss associated with diabetes. 16. Decreased risk of kidney failure due to diabetes. Diabetes-related kidney failure is a severe complication that can lead to the need for dialysis or transplantation. Intermittent fasting's impact on insulin sensitivity and blood sugar regulation helps lower the risk of kidney damage caused by diabetes. By enhancing metabolic health, fasting provides a protective shield for the kidneys. Embracing intermittent fasting offers a practical strategy to reduce the risk of diabetic nephropathy and maintain kidney function. 17. Decreased risk of amputations due to diabetes. Diabetes-related foot complications can necessitate amputations. Intermittent fasting's ability to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar fluctuations contributes to lower risks of such complications. By promoting metabolic stability, fasting supports foot health and reduces the likelihood of amputations due to diabetes. Incorporating intermittent fasting into one's routine offers a preventive measure against these severe outcomes. 18. Enhanced autophagy. Autophagy, the cellular self-cleaning process, is stimulated during fasting. This process removes damaged components and recycles them, promoting cellular health. Intermittent fasting amplifies autophagy, aiding in disease prevention and longevity. By clearing out cellular junk, fasting helps cells function optimally and reduces the risk of age-related diseases. Embracing intermittent fasting taps into the body's innate repair mechanisms for enhanced well-being. 19. Reduced cancer risk. Intermittent fasting's impact extends to cancer prevention. By promoting autophagy, fasting helps remove potentially cancerous cells and supports immune function. Additionally, fasting reduces insulin levels, which can fuel cancer growth. By addressing these factors, intermittent fasting offers a multifaceted approach to reducing cancer risk. Incorporating fasting into one's lifestyle provides a proactive strategy to safeguard against this complex disease. 20. Improved immune function. A strong immune system is crucial for defending against infections and diseases. Intermittent fasting enhances immune function by promoting the removal of damaged cells through autophagy. Fasting also reduces inflammation, supporting immune response. By optimizing immune health, fasting contributes to overall well-being and reduces the risk of illness. Embracing intermittent fasting offers a natural way to bolster the body's defense mechanisms. 21. Increased longevity. Intermittent fasting's influence on cellular health and disease prevention is linked to increased longevity. By promoting autophagy and reducing the risk of chronic diseases, fasting supports a longer and healthier life. It slows down the aging process by optimizing cellular function. Embracing intermittent fasting as a lifestyle choice offers a tangible way to extend both lifespan and health span. 22. Improved leptin sensitivity. Leptin is a hormone that regulates hunger and metabolism. Leptin resistance can lead to overeating and weight gain. Intermittent fasting helps improve leptin sensitivity, allowing the body to better regulate appetite and metabolism. By addressing this hormonal imbalance, fasting contributes to weight management and overall metabolic health. Embracing intermittent fasting supports a balanced relationship with food and hunger cues. 23. Improved response to ghrelin. Ghrelin, the hunger hormone, signals the body to eat. Insensitivity to ghrelin can lead to overeating. Intermittent fasting improves the body's response to ghrelin, helping regulate appetite more effectively. By enhancing ghrelin sensitivity, fasting promotes healthier eating patterns and supports weight management. Embracing intermittent fasting offers a natural way to reset hunger cues and establish a balanced relationship with food. 24. Increased ketone production. During fasting, the body produces ketones, alternative fuel sources derived from fat. Ketones offer benefits like improved brain function and reduced inflammation. Intermittent fasting stimulates ketone production, providing the body with an energy-efficient and neuroprotective fuel source. By harnessing ketones, fasting supports cognitive health and overall well-being. Embracing intermittent fasting taps into the body's innate ability to enhance brain function. 25. Enhanced brain function and mental clarity. Intermittent fasting's effects on ketone production contribute to improved brain function. Ketones provide a steady energy source for the brain, enhancing cognitive clarity and focus. Additionally, fasting reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, further benefiting brain health. By supporting neural resilience, intermittent fasting offers a holistic approach to maintaining cognitive function and mental well-being. 26. Reduced risk of Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Alzheimer's disease and dementia are neurodegenerative conditions with links to metabolic dysfunction. Intermittent fasting's impact on brain health, including enhanced ketone production and reduced inflammation, contributes to lowering the risk of these conditions. By promoting cognitive resilience and metabolic balance, fasting offers a preventive measure against Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Embracing intermittent fasting supports long-term brain health. 27. Improved mood and mental well-being. Intermittent fasting's effects on brain health extend to mood regulation. By reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, fasting supports mental well-being. Ketones produced during fasting also play a role in enhancing mood. Additionally, fasting's positive impact on weight management and hormonal balance contributes to an improved self-image and confidence. Embracing intermittent fasting offers a natural approach to fostering emotional resilience and overall happiness. 28. Enhanced heart rate variability. Heart rate variability is a marker of heart health and stress resilience. Intermittent fasting's positive effects on cardiovascular parameters contribute to improved heart rate variability. By promoting heart health, fasting enhances the variability between heartbeats, a sign of a well-functioning autonomic nervous system. Embracing intermittent fasting offers a tangible way to support heart health and stress management. 29. Reduced risk of neurological disorders. Neurological disorders like Parkinson's and Huntington's diseases are characterized by neuronal damage and dysfunction. Intermittent fasting's impact on brain health and autophagy contributes to reducing the risk of these disorders. By removing damaged cellular components, fasting supports neuronal health and function. Embracing intermittent fasting provides a natural and proactive strategy to safeguard against neurological disorders. 30. Increased energy levels. Contrary to the misconception that fasting leads to fatigue, intermittent fasting can actually boost energy levels. By promoting the utilization of stored fat for fuel and producing ketones, fasting provides a consistent energy source. Additionally, the stabilization of blood sugar levels prevents energy crashes. Embracing intermittent fasting offers a sustainable way to maintain higher energy levels throughout the day. 31. Enhanced physical performance. Intermittent fasting's effects on energy utilization and metabolism translate to improved physical performance. By tapping into stored fat for energy, fasting supports endurance activities. The production of ketones during fasting further enhances performance by providing a reliable fuel source. Embracing intermittent fasting offers athletes and fitness enthusiasts a natural way to optimize their physical capabilities. 32. Improved muscle growth and repair. Contrary to concerns about muscle loss during fasting, intermittent fasting can promote muscle growth and repair. Fasting stimulates the production of growth hormone, which supports muscle development. Additionally, autophagy removes damaged cellular components, facilitating efficient muscle recovery. By supporting these processes, fasting offers a comprehensive approach to muscle health and fitness goals. 33. Enhanced gut health. Intermittent fasting's effects on metabolism and inflammation extend to gut health. By promoting autophagy, fasting removes damaged cells from the gut lining, supporting gut integrity. Additionally, reduced calorie intake during fasting periods allows the gut to rest and repair. Embracing intermittent fasting offers a natural and effective strategy to optimize gut health and support digestive well-being. 34. Improved sleep quality. Intermittent fasting's impact on circadian rhythms and hormonal balance contributes to improved sleep quality. By supporting the body's natural sleep-wake cycle, fasting helps regulate sleep patterns. Additionally, fasting reduces the risk of sleep-disrupting conditions like sleep apnea and obesity. Embracing intermittent fasting offers a holistic approach to fostering restful sleep and overall sleep hygiene. 35. Enhanced resilience to stress. Intermittent fasting's effects on hormonal balance and autophagy contribute to enhanced stress resilience. By optimizing the body's stress response and promoting cellular health, fasting supports emotional well-being. Additionally, improved energy levels and cognitive function during fasting periods aid in managing stress. Embracing intermittent fasting offers a natural strategy to build resilience and cope with life's challenges. There you have it, 35 compelling intermittent fasting benefits you must know. If you found this breakdown helpful and insightful, make sure to hit that like button and share it with anyone who's embarking on their own intermittent fasting adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content on health, wellness, and making the most of your journey towards well-being.